student, this is your GK class. So this is a chapter number 10 on the page number 30, save energy. So save energy in the day-to-day life in your home. At your home, your mother says save energy, save electricity, save water. So by saving energy, we save money. So all of us should do our best to reduce the amount of energy we consume in our day-to-day lives. So there are some option questions. So let's start first. There are no nuclear fusion power station because nuclear fusion, answer is hard to control. Second, geysers are example of dash energy, answer is geothermal energy. Third, this source of energy is not renewable, answer is petroleum. The most commonly used renewable source of energy, that is hydro energy. Fifth, renewable energy sources that are replenished by nature. Next, question number 6. This source of renewable energy is not weather dependent. Answer is geothermal. 7. Most renewable energy sources can be tracked back to solar energy. 8. This source of energy is renewable. Answer is wind. 9. The sun gets its energy from nuclear fusion. 10. Burning oil produces dash gas which is said to be causing global warming, that is carbon dioxide. So next on the page number 31, next topic is global warming. What is global warming? How will it affect us adversely? Read below. First, global warming is an increase in the Earth's atmospheric temperature widely due to an increase in the greenhouse effect resulting essentially from air pollution. As you know, air pollution increasing day by day, so global warming also increases due to the Earth's atmospheric temperature. Second, global warming causes melting of ice from the poles because of the increase in Earth's temperature. Third, another major cause of global warming is deforestation. Fourth, if due to global warming, all the ice from the poles melts into water, the water level of the seas will increase substantially and submerge the land near seashore. Sea level is expected to rise between 18 to 59 centimeters by the end of the century. Next, less fresh water will be available. Next point, species that depend on one another may become out of sync. For example, plants could bloom earlier than their pollinating insect become active. Next, natural calamities and disasters would occur frequently with more destructive power, like hurricanes and other storms are likely to become stronger. So natural disaster increases day by day due to deforestation. Somewhere are occurring floods and somewhere there are no floods, there are scarcity of water. And next point, severe heat waves would lead to the death of millions of people around the world. Increase in ocean temperature could cause serious ecological damage. So there are some correct options in each case from the page number 31. First, some gases form a blanket around the earth. They let the sun's energy pass into the atmosphere but do not let it escape back into space. What are these gases called? The answer is greenhouse gases. Second, IPCC stands for, that is answer option B, Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. Third, the amount of carbon dioxide being released into the air is called, answer is global carbon emission. Next, fourth, the title of A.L. Gore's Oscar-winning documentary and book is, answer is An Inconvenient Truth. So students, these two pages learn carefully. Thanks a lot.